Okay, so an update on my manual mill to CNC conversion. Just designed the actual one of the motor plates for the stepper motor that's going to control the Z-axis. I've set up the piece to be cut on Fusion. So basically I've programmed on Fusion Cam that the machine performs the following cut. That's sort of the face plate for the stepper motor to slide on, and there the program that has been generated by Fusion has been ported to the controller software Mach 4, and you can see the machine's running the program, the G code, as we speak. And if you look carefully on the red axis, you can see how it's progressing, cutting the piece. And this is how it looks so far. It's been cutting for about 4 minutes, and yeah, very impressed with the results so far. Looking forward to this whole machine coming nicely together.